So today we have a 2015. We're doing the Passion and Motor mount on our Explorer. So what you want to do with these little tabs right here, turn them to the left, as you can see. So we're gonna slide this little air vent thing off, slide it to the side. Boom. So now you got the jack. Get a flat piece of brick or wood or anything. It don't matter. You know what I mean? As long as it's flat and it's a piece of brick or wood, you good. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna slide this jack up under here, right? Alright, let's slide it up under there. Alright. Let's get it up. Oh, hold on. Let me fix that. Gotta make sure that's straight as possible. Boom. You wanna put it on the flat side of the oil pan, exactly in the middle. So you want to jack, you want to give it like 3 little pumps. One, hold on, let me get it right. 1, 2, 3. That's perfect. So what I have is an 18 millimeter short socket, and that's for the ones that's connected to the frame of the car, the motor mount bolts that's connected to the frame. All right, there's one right here, as you can see, and then there's 2 on the other side, guys, that I already tuck off, but my daughter forgot to record it. But it's easy to get to. Just use this a long extension that I have in my hand. Alrighty. So, and then also, guys, I put my 3/8 ratchet on there. Alright, let me turn it around. I'm gonna get my ratchet right for y'all guys. Alright, cool. And then I also use my pipe off my jack. As you can see right here, I'm gonna slide it on there. Boom. That's gonna give us better leverage. If you don't have a breaker bar, you can use that. Trust me, it's way better. So go real slow and keep it straight and steady as possible. Go real slow. You're gonna feel it turn. Go real slow, cause that bolt has Loctite on it. So go real slow. You're gonna feel it move. Don't go crazy power with it, but just put a little power on it so you can feel it go. So you won't break your ratchet. Okay, cool. As you can see, it's spinning. If you look real close, it's spinning. Okay. Take your time. It's gonna be a little minute. Just keep going. Keep going. Alright, we back at it again. Okay, you see that boy twisting now, huh? Trying to get up out of there, huh? Finna go ahead and go get my power tool after I loosen this up a little bit, guys. If you got a power tool, after you loosen it up a little bit as much as you want to, connect your power tool to it right now and just go work. And just let it go to work, you know what I mean? As you finna see what I'm talking about in a few seconds, as you know. Okay, finna convert over right now to my power tool. Right about now. Alright, as you can see, it's spinning a lot faster now because I put that power tool on him. Okay then. Alright, that boat all loosened up now. He ready. Alright, let me grab this boat out the way. Boom. So remember, guys, that was the 18. You're short 18. If you got a long one works as well too, but a short one does it too as well. So now what I'm finna do, guys, is tackle the 15 ones in the back. So you see I got a 15 right here, the long extension on my power drill right here. So now I'm finna use my torque power drill. Go on and get those up out of there real quick. I'm gonna put that thing on there. And like I said, if you don't have the power drill, you can use the method like I showed you in the beginning with the 3/8 sockets on there. Alright. So as you can see, one of the bolts is already off of the motor mount. I took it off earlier. My daughter forgot to record me. But it's the same way how I just took that one off. Real easy and simple. If you got a long extension, get in there with a long extension with a 15 in there. Okay, I'm taking that bolt off. Now I'm finna move around over here where this heater holes at in the way. Okay. Okay, as you can see, there's one right there. Let me move this blue tag. Move this blue tag out the way because it's getting on my nerves a little bit. Alright, cool. Move this out of the way. I'll put it down on there like that right there. And make sure my holes ain't leaning against it so it won't get ripped open. Alright, move my holes to the side now. Let me go to work. And as you can see, it's jumping up and down because it's trying to spin that bolt. The bolt on there tight now, guys. Alright, see, got it up out of there. Just like that. Alright. And remember, it's 4 bolts. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can take the cover piece off your own, off the top of your engine too if you want to. But some people don't do it, but I took it off so I can show you a little bit better with the bolts. Alright, this that last bolt right here. Last 15. Deep socket. Alright. I'm sure if I can get them off there right now. Remember, you don't want to go crazy with it. Just get screwed up enough where you can unloosen it up with your hand so you won't lose it. Alright, cool. Man, blowing hard. Alright, that mount should just lift up easily. And it's another thing too is I could have tucked the reservoir off, but I didn't want to because I know how to get it out without the reservoir, just being gently and easily. But with the reservoir out the way, it would have just lifted up so easy and perfect. But this is another technical way that you can do it, whatever, without having to unhook anything and take the extra route. Sometimes it is good to take the extra route, but right now I'm just doing a shortcut for y'all guys. So as you can see, I'm pulling it out as an angle. Alright. Let me flip it around. And that motor mount is very, very hot. My client on the car, I didn't even let it cool down. I just went to straight tackling because I had other stuff I had to review and do for the day. But anyways, back to the point. Just watch how I take it out, guys. Same way I took it out, same way y'all guys can take it out. You see this AC line right here? You gotta be very careful, guys. So that mount was hot, so I just had to put it down for a second. Because baby, it was burning. Okay, look how that thing come out of there. Like a newborn baby. Ugh. So easy. Alright, so this is the old one right here, guys. Look how it flex. Oh my God. I ain't even supposed to do none of that right there. I'm talking about all she heard was grinding noise when she went to put her car in gear and went to take off. It was a little grinding noise and put it in reverse too as well. See how this one right here so stiff? Don't even move at all. That's what you want right there, guys. That's what you want. That's what you want. Okay, guys. I'm gonna put this back in here the same way I took it out. The same way I put it back in. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get it back on in now. Alright, I'm gonna move this AC over just a little bit. This AC line, yeah. Grab it, be a little gentle with it, because it is made out of aluminum. Alright. Alright. Put it back in now. It's a little tight now, you know what I mean? It ain't a little tight, it's just right. Alright, guys. Alright. I'm gonna move this right here out the way a little bit. Move these little lines out the way. Alright. Watch when I flip it over, guys. It's gonna fall right down in the. So when I flip it back in there just like that. But remember when I say, guys, you can take the reservoir off. It's gonna be way more easier than that. But this is the way I just showed you. Now let me move this hose out the way so it won't pinch anything. And watch it just fall right in place. Doop. Just like that. Feel right in place, guys. Just like that. You see I moved it up and down? Look, just like that. Fell right back in place. And you see the engine is rocking, but you gotta remember that jack is up under there keeping it steady so you can line back up your bolts. So what I'm gonna do now is put these bolts back on there first, guys. That's one. Alright. And these are the bolts that's mounted up to the motor, not the frame yet. These are the 15 bolts right here. Get y'all right. Alright. Put this other one back on now. And make sure you put the same bolts back on the same ones. The same way you took them off, the same way you put them back on. I never switch up my nuts. I put my nuts back on my same bolts. Alright. So as you can see, it's 4, right, guys? I got those on there. Hand tighten a little bit. Up on there. Okay. Get my power tool. Tighten that one down. As you notice, I jump from side to side, guys, because I never want to tighten too down on that side. I want to make sure I go from side to side. Side to side. Yep. I'm tightening it up right there. I'm tightening this one up right there. Okay, I'm tightening it up. Getting it right, getting it right. Right, make sure it's tight. Most people are like, oh, it's a torque spec. Man, as long as you know how to feel for it, you'll be A-OK, and the car will be A-OK. Remember that. Alright. That was tightened up. Woo. So now we back to the 18 bolts. So now y'all guys get to see me put all of them back in. Alright, let's see. Alright. Make sure you hand tighten them down before you just go to twisting and ratcheting it, because like I said, you're supposed to really change these bolts and get brand new ones, but you can use the old ones as long as you put some more Loctite on it, as I did, and you didn't get to see, but I put a little bit more Loctite on it. Alright, so I got them bolts in there. Alright, so as you can see, got my long stitching. I'm twisting. Alright, I ain't really tighten it up like that. I twisted, I made sure it was tightened up a little bit. Then I came back to the other side. And then boom, the other bolt right there. Twist, tighten that one up too with my hand. Got them. So now, as you can see, I went back to this bolt. Now I'll tighten it up with my power tool a little bit. Alright. So now I put my pipe back on my 3/8. And this, you want to give it just like a little snug, like a little Watch. A little snug, just like that right there. Once you give it that little snug, just to make sure it's on there secure. Alright, you go to the next one. You want to get this one right here a little snug as well. That one behind there. Alright, you want to give it just a little bit of snug. Okay, we done with that one. Go to the next one. The same way how I'm tightening this up, guys, it's the same way how you take them off, guys. So just check them out. Give some little snug, but be careful, that AC line is right there. So be very careful, guys. Just a little snug, that's all you need. Okay, once you do that, guys, you lower your jack back down. Move your jack. Now we're gonna put this extra air vent back on the car that keeps the motor cool, that push wind through to keep the motor even more cooler. And that's how you do a passenger motor mount on a 2015 Ford Explorer. Subscribe, like, comment. Thank you guys for tuning in again. I'm out. I'll see y'all guys later. More videos on the way.